It's a story about a girl who's set on the mission to change the history of international real estate.
Oh, it's so nice to be home.
Well, welcome home, Nubla, and I've got to say what a special part of home we're bringing you today.
Fearlessly, she traveled to distant lands to build connections with prominent figures in European real estate.
This apartment I'm showing you is not just a beautiful apartment. This is such a special building.
Her journey brought her to the city that holds a special place in her heart.
This is the original new build of London, so everything else that became apartment living is based on this.
The city that she once called home.
We're in London today, about to tour a £10 million 3-bedroom penthouse. Rosie, can you show us outside on the terrace and also talk a little bit about the neighbourhood that we're in and what is surrounding us?
Absolutely, let's go and have a look.
So the market itself doesn't really know what it's doing. It's like up in the air and everyone's wondering where it's going to drop.
So we have Imperial College, we have the Royal Albert Hall here behind us, Albert Monument in Hyde Park.
Amazing, I can't wait to see it.
Let's go take a look.